Welcome back. The knuckle push-up is not for your knuckle. Of course, it conditions your knuckles and it makes your hands strong, but it is not for that purpose. The purpose, according to me, behind this knuckle push-up is to correct your alignment, is to make you used to that pressure, and you are actually learning how to align your joints and how to, because this is martial arts, right? Undoubtedly, one of the most important aspects of martial art is conditioning. You need to have that strong bones and you need your strikes, because this is not sports, combat sports. Like, we are not wrapping our hands, we are not using big gloves. Like in boxing classes, some people are lazy, they can escape with things like this, right? If they do like this, it's still a hook punch. But when you're doing it bare hand and you do things like this, it is not aligned, it is not proper technique, you can't escape with that, because you will end up hurting yourself. तो अपने ही हाथ को चोट ना पहुंचे उसके लिए हमें टेक्निक पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना होता है, और टेक्निक और हर पंच का और हर स्ट्राइक का एक एनाटॉमी होता है, उसमें एक अलाइनमेंट होता है. दैट अलाइनमेंट, दैट मेथड, दैट टेक्निक इज इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड फॉर दैट टू बी करेक्ट, फॉर दैट टू गेट imprinted in your mind, we are training in knuckle push-ups. Like, I can't punch like this, it's not good for me. I have to keep it like correct. I mean, it has to have that the wrist is supported by the elbow, it is supported by the back, something like this. Or a martial art punch, the wrist is supported by the elbow, by the shoulder, by the back and by the hip. You need that. इसको समझने का एक बेसिक तरीका है, आप अपने हाथ नीचे लगाएं और अपने बॉडी वेट को ऐसे संभालें इस तरीके से कि आपका रिस्ट इधर उधर ना जाए. यू हैव टू कीप योर बॉडी अलाइंड, यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर वेट ऑन दैट. सो बिफोर जंपिंग टू अ नकल पुशअप, आई वांट यू टू हैव दैट करेक्ट अलाइनमेंट. सबसे पहले पंच कैसे बनाते, हाउ टू मेक अ फिस्ट, राइट? Usually in martial art, it is taught like fingers close like this, so that you are touching over here. Then you go like this. Then the thumb comes in between the index finger and the middle finger. But according to me, this is still not very tight and secure, because you see, ये यहाँ से ऐसे दब जाएगा. So when you are hitting something, maybe not something as soft as this, when you are hitting something like this, you need your bones to be as tight as possible, so that you can reduce injury. अगर मैं ऐसे हाथ को ऐसे लूज रख के इस पे मारूं तो कुछ ना कुछ टूट जाएगा, राइट? यू हैव टू कीप इट टाइट. सो यहाँ से ये छोटी उंगली भी दबाना जरूरी है. So what I'm saying is, this looks more neat, but this is more safe. You have to squeeze your pinky finger inside. Now this is all tight and safe. This is how you make a fist. So with keeping that fist in mind, ये इसी तरीके से बनाना है, and just keep it down. We're using the first two knuckles. Not only the first two knuckles, we are actually using the whole index finger and also the middle finger का ये पूरा part. So I am touching this whole part has to be placed down like this. It has to be like this. It has to look like this. Like this, you are clearing over here. ये छोटी वाली उंगली अभी भी टच नहीं कर रही है, right? So I am using only the first two. You can see यहीं पे धूल लगी है, यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी लग गई, कोई बात नहीं. ये यहीं पे लगनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा हाथ का अलाइनमेंट भी वैसा ही होता है. We want to train these two knuckles over here, because when you punch, this is what is correct in your alignment. See, ये बड़ी वाली bone है. This is somewhat stronger. That is supported by the elbow, supported by the shoulder and things like that. So we don't want to punch with these two knuckles. That I don't think it is very easy to support that, right? So keeping that punch ki anatomy in your mind, it is preferable that you use first two knuckles. Don't do this, do this. So it will look somewhat like this. It is cleared, not too much. It is not too much over here, it is straight in such a way that if we place a straight stick or a scale, it has to be straight over here. ऐसा सीधा ही रहेगा. If you are just looking for a nice ripped chest and good core strength, you just go for good old school push-ups like this or like this, right? That's enough for you. But we are martial artists, we are looking for striking. We need to strike something at some point in our life. And when we are striking, we don't need to injure ourselves. So uska, we are not just looking for the benefits of the push-up, we need that conditioning, we need that alignment training also. The way I keep my hand on the floor, is the same way I punch, right? So that I can be safe from all joint injuries. So keeping that in mind, keep both your hands down just like the way I told you. If you keep your legs apart like this, if you keep your legs wide apart, this becomes easy. If you keep them close, it becomes a little difficult. Nothing, keep your back straight, keep your core tight. When you go down, relax. When you go up, breathe out, tighten your chest, tighten your core. That's the basic thing. From here, you go like this, and you breathe out, tighten your core and chest. That's all. You can get innovative, you can do one hand, you can try moving, but this is the basic. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, सॉफ्ट सर्फेस, कोई मैट, कोई फुट मैट, बेड के ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. द थिंग इज वी डोंट वांट कंक्रीट फॉर पुशअप्स. वी आर नॉट ओनली लुकिंग फॉर दैट नकल कंडीशनिंग. वी नीड टू गेट दैट अलाइनमेंट राइट. अगर आप पहले पिलो पे भी कर रहे हैं तो नो प्रॉब्लम. पीपल से दैट आपको रोड पे करना है, आपको बजरी पे करना है, नहीं, वो बाद में हम कर लेंगे. हमें पहले क्या करना है, हमें पहले अपना ये अलाइनमेंट सही करना है, ताकि हम वो माइंड मसल कोऑर्डिनेशन बना पाए कि अपना पूरा बॉडी वेट ये जॉइंट पे कैसे होगा, कैसे वो बैलेंस होगा इन मूवमेंट, हाउ टू कीप इट स्ट्रेट, राइट. ये हाथ और ये रिस्ट और ये एल्बो अभी भी सीधा है, अभी भी सीधा है. तो ये मूवमेंट में किसी भी तरीके से जब भी ये मूव करेगा वो हमेशा अलाइन सही रहना चाहिए. टू ट्रेन फॉर दैट वी आर डूइंग दिस. सो वी डोंट नीड कॉन्क्रीट. If you can do on this, it's good. Okay, no problem. Just do it over here like this. If this is too difficult, put your knees down like this. Fold back. This is an assisted version of the push-up. All this is possible. Just try to start somewhere और हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. One more additional thing is that we do push-ups like this, but we punch like that. So you can also train push-ups like this, so that you can train for punching. But when you punch like this, it still has that somewhere it is weak. But when you punch like this, it is better. Just experiment for yourself. Do knuckle push-ups like this and do knuckle push-ups like this. Which one is easy? This one is easy because you're using your back muscles. You have those big muscles supporting that. Like this, I believe this will have more power. So a vertical punch will have more power because just like a push-up, you're using those big muscles. That's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Karate TV online class where we are doing this on a daily basis. You can join that Karate TV online class. Link is in description. Follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. Kalari Dhoti, if you like, you can order online. Link is in description. नया चैनल है Karate TV वाले भैया, support that channel also. Link is in description.
Thank you.